Jessica is in a bad pattern with her 2.5-year-old. At the supermarket, Jaden has frequent tantrums, demanding candy and other treats. Jessica finds it hard to stay calm when her son makes a scene.
I need you to help me with the shopping, okay, buddy? It's an important job. Can you help Mommy?
I help.
Okay. When we get to the store, I need you to help me find what we're going to eat for dinner tonight. It's spaghetti.
Spaghetti.
And remember, today you're going to be my big helper. We want to get spaghetti and maybe some apples.
Spaghetti.
I need you to be my big helper and help me pick out our groceries. If you do that, you can have a special treat. You can play on my phone at the checkout.
Phone.
When do you get the phone?
Phone.
If you help find groceries, okay?
Offering a reward for good behavior is much more effective than threatening punishment for bad behavior. It's also very different from giving in to a child's demands when he's screaming, which rewards the child for throwing a tantrum and makes him more likely to do it again.